evening, and you are welcome to another demo. In this demo, it's going to take you through how our point of sale software is being used. And if you are interested in it, please check in the description of this video below. And we will try and see how best we'll show you out with the software. Okay, so without wasting my time, I want us to get started with the system. So in this demo, it is a very quick one, and this is how best we can be able to assist one another in terms of managing your inventories or probably your provisions store. So without wasting my time, let's get started. First of all, you go to download the software. And right now I'm going to boot the software. I just go here, and right away you can see that on my screen I have updated POS. I'll double click this. So here you allow the system to load. So just give it some time. It depends on how fast or the process of your machine. So here it is loading. Just give it a time, and it will load. Yes, so the system is loading just like that. Okay, you can see the screen. And when it reaches 100%, it will kickstart. All right, so here you can log in as a manager, you can log in as a salesperson. So first of all, you log in as a manager based on your qualification in terms of the access levels. Here, I just go straight. Yeah, manager, I'll select the manager's name to Roson. Then I'll enter the username. So here, this is the username. Then I'll enter the password. All right, then I click go. Welcome to Roson. Login successful. Click OK. So here is the interface for the system. This is how the interface looks like. This is a calculator scientific. Then you can see the heading. This software is developed by Turoson Joseph, the CEO of Vital Source Technologies. Vital Source, Navrango, Upper East Region, opposite Adabayuri Primary School. Time, Sunday, February 13th, 2022. Good evening. Current user Turoson. That is just a welcoming interface. Here, you can have salespersons. Here, you can also add customers. You can add products, order and sale. Here is also inventory. Then this aspect is for payments. Right? Let's get started. First of all, before you can proceed to make sales, you will have to have products in your system, and before you can be able to go ahead to make sales. So to add product to your system, you just go to products. Then here, already there are products here. So what I will need to do is that I will need to submit these products. You can see that product is successfully added to database. Then add new products. I will just need to, now remember this system support barcode scan. So let's say that if you have a barcode scan, you can just send your cursor here. Then you connect the barcode scan machine to the computer. What you need to do is that you scan the code and it will appear here automatically. Then you proceed to enter the name. Let's say plantain. Okay. Then go to the description. Maybe it is for house use or it is for cooking. Okay. So here the description, then category. This category is utilities or whatever, how it is used is food. So plantain is a food. Then this aspect for the amount, you put the amount. Okay. You can set your computer currency to custom currency by putting the Ghana cedis there. If you're in Ghana, you want to use the system. So here I'll just put 2,000 over there. Then here I can also put 500 Ghana cedis. The retail price I'll just need to put probably 20 over there. Then, is this product available? Yes. So I'll mark it available. Product no longer available. If you mark this, it's no more available. If it is available, you uncheck that. Then you are finished with adding the necessary information. Submit product. Product is successfully added to the database. Now, if you want to add a new product, you click here and add new product. Apart from that too, you can upload the image of the product here. You can see that you can click, then upload the image of the product from your computer. That is if you wish. Okay, so that is how that aspect also works. Now, after you are done with that, you can search for your product list here. You come here, you see plantain. The moment you start plantain, all the properties or all the information related to the plantain will appear here. So, assuming I want to edit this, I can just double click, then upload an image for plantain. But as it stands, I really don't have an image for plantain, so I can just go ahead to pick any image. And when I pick any image, I will just need to upload that, assuming that is actually a plantain. We are using it for a demonstration sake. So here, I'll look for an image. Let's say this is a plantain. Click open, hit OK. You can see that it has appeared in product image. So this is your plantain over here. Submit. Successful. Okay, so you want to add another new. Now, if I go back there, select plantain, you can see that all information about plantain has appeared. Okay, so it is the same way that if I pick a bag, all information related to the bag will come. You see that? Africa wear, you see that? So that is how this aspect works. I can just close the product aspect. Okay, so now you have added two products. You can see the product number has been increased to 2. Now here, if you want to now go ahead to also add inventories, you go to inventories. Then here you can see that you have the product code and then product name over here. Now this is how the barcode scan works. Okay, so you want to create new stock. If I assume I'm going to scan this code, okay, we are assuming that we are using the barcode scanner. What we'll do is that you just need to send your cursor here, then you scan, and automatically, let's say that this particular code is being scanned. Let's say this is where my cursor is. You point your barcode scan machine to the product, then you scan. When you scan, the code will appear at the product code aspect. And what you need to do is just hit enter key. Okay, so I just assume that I've scanned the barcode, the product code here, then I hit enter. You can see that all the information relating to the plantain has appeared. Look at it. You can see that plantain, food. Then you can see the time over there. All the necessary information related to plantain has appeared. So I want to add this information to my. So I'll just click on Save Changes. It's loading. Okay. Now changes accepted successfully. Click OK. That is all. So you can view report here. Now when you come to report view, you can generate a report. Click. Now when you click generate report, you can see that. Okay. So this is where you can generate a report. And your business details will be here. You can see my business details are here. You can preview the report. You can export the report and all that necessary. So that is how that aspect works. Okay. All right. So we're going back. Now here, if we check at the inventory aspect, you can see that already we have some products here. Okay. Let's say we are here and we want to pick food. Okay. So when you pick food, you can see that all related information about food will need to also come up here. So that is how that aspect works. Now the next thing is that we want to look at how to add a salesperson. Just click on salespersons. And here is where you enter new, click new, then enter the salesperson's name. Let's say Kojo Boy. Kojo Boy here. Then Frank, that is the name. Kojo Boy Frank is the name. The username Frank. Okay, then password. Okay, then confirm password. Then user type is a salesperson. Is an administrator. You select administrator. Then click save. you can upload the person picture. So I just double click there, go to my storage, then I'll look for an image of my salesperson and upload him over there. So here I scroll down, I'm looking for my salesperson to upload. So probably I'll just pick this up. Now click OK. My salesperson is over here. Now you click save. Congratulations, you have successfully added the user. Okay, you can see his details are here. You can print this one out. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, so here you can also add expenditure. Click here. Come, if you want to add an expenditure, just click on add new, then transaction. Then you can add something like transportation. All right. Category of this is what then? It's actual transport amount. You enter the amount over there. Okay. Then description, if you wish, click save. Expenses saved. Automatically, you see it has appeared here. Transportation 500 Ghana cedis. So that's the expenses. You can view report, play report. You can see all the reports are here. Okay. You can see all the reports are here. Your business details are also at the top there. So you can print this out. Okay. So total expenses have been shown down here. So that is how this works. Close there. Go again. Maybe you want to sell. Just go to order and sell. Here, automatically, if someone has come to buy, okay, so you will need to just enter, send the cursor to the product. This one is already there, so we want to start a new sale. So add it to the cast. Then, if you want to start a new sale, you will need to, let's say here are the details of your products. Aside that too, if, now this is how the system happens. If a particular product is not having a code, the system will generate a code for that particular product. Okay, so that is how it works. Now here, if you want to go ahead to make your transactions, you just need to, first of all, you need a customer ID, but that is really something stressful. So you allow the system to generate a code because you cannot be asking of the customer their name. So here is the product code here. So assuming you have your barcode scan, you just need to go over there and place it. Then when that is done, you can see that here, whatever that you now need to do is you need to select the product information. What category is this? Okay. So who is the salesperson for this particular product? I log in as a salesperson. So you see my name is over there. Okay. Then the customer ID will be generated by the system. Okay. Here is it a wholesale? So you need to mark the retail. You need to apply that. Okay. So if that is done, then the next thing is that you want to click done. Then go to add cast. That is done. Now, if you want to remove it back from the cast, you just click on remove. Okay. If you want to do that, then you click on remove. You are removing the product from the cast. And if you want to print the receipt, you can even print the receipt using this. You can go to payments, click, go to payments. Okay, so here you can see that if I go to, but also remember that you need to add a customer. Okay, you can add a customer. You can see the sale code also over here. As you're making your sale, the system will generate a unique code for every sale you make. Okay, so that is how this artifact works. All right, so here you can generate a document for every transaction you make for probably, let's say, a customer. You can make it, you can go back to by clicking this. You can't go back because there's nothing at the back. So that is how this particular aspect works. Okay. So if you also have expiring products in the shop, you will see the details here. You can see that you have 0 expired stock. Click to view. There's really nothing to view. So that is how that aspect works. Now, do not forget, you can print a receipt for a customer. Okay. And then here, It's the same thing. We have two access levels of order and sell, this height and that. So the same things are over here. Okay, so if you want to also add a customer, you can just go to customers, then you create a customer here. If you want to add a new customer, you click on new customer. That is, you can have regular customers, which they do come probably if you are dealing with the wholesale, where those people who come to pick the product, you can have their information in your system. So that is the aspect to register customers. Okay, so the total product you have in your system, they will appear here. Customers, it will also appear here. Today's sales will appear, and all that. So this is how the system operates. This is also a calculator. You can perform your calculations here. Okay, see that? So clear it. That is it. So that is all about the system. It's not anything much. So you can log into the system as a salesperson and you have all the features. Okay, so let's say I'm logging back. Then click this, log out, then here is salesperson. If you have salesperson, fine, you log in. If you don't have a salesperson, then that is it. Okay, so I want to quit the system. Just click on yes to quit, no to cancel. So that is how it works. All right, so without wasting my time, this is a very quick demo. And this brings us to the end of this particular demo. Click cancel to shut down the system. So that is how it works. Or if you are interested in this system, just give me a call. Very snappy. Check in the description of this video below, and my contact details are below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. All the best.